Today we will be troubleshooting a machine problem within the Laundry Boss system. The first thing that you should do is locate the MIB box. It's a black box which looks like this. Note that you do not need to turn off the machine at any point to perform these tests. The first test that you are going to do is to simply look inside of this hole to see if there is a light inside. If there is a light inside, the MIB is receiving power. If there is no light inside, the MIB is not receiving power. If the MIB is not receiving power, remove the connector from the top of it and put it back in. This MIB is now receiving power, as you can see by the light. This might be all you need in order to fix the problem. You should test at this point. If it is still not working, remove the problem MIB from the problem machine. Open up a machine next to it and swap it with the MIB inside. Then test both machines. If the problem followed the MIB to the new machine, the MIB is experiencing an issue and you will need to order a replacement. If the problem remains on the original machine, you will need to take further troubleshooting steps. If the problem remains on the original machine, the next step that you can take is evaluate what the problem is. If you have a light in the MIB and it is receiving the signal, but the machine is not starting, the problem will usually exist with the connections on the coin wires. If the MIB does not have power, the problem will usually exist on the power connections. Once you've checked all your connections and made sure that they are secure, plug your MIB back in and test again. If it is still not working, you may need to order a replacement MIB from the Laundry Boss. Call into the support line to see if this is applicable to you.